Okay, I'm going to remove the sill. I'm going to cut it short from the pillars here because I don't want the pillar to move, so I'll just cut it short of the pillar, and then I'll weld a bracket behind the pillar to keep it into place. So let's get going. Now that I've cut part of the sill off, the next step is to get the edge of the sill off. So firstly, what I'm going to do is use the grinder and a brush to strip off the paint so that I can reveal where the spot welds are. Then I can use the spot weld drill or spot weld cutter drill to remove the spot welds and then remove the panel. I'll start with the top lip first and then do the bottom lip after. Okay, I've cleaned up the edge of the sill here so I can see the spot welds. So I'll go ahead and remove the spot welds with the spot weld cutter on the drill. Okay, I'm glad that I decided to replace the sill panel. At the back of the sill, we've got a hole here, and then if you have a look inside the sill, there's some rust. It hasn't gone through, but if we leave it, it will eventually go through, and actually there is a hole right in the corner at the back of the sill. And then if we have a look at a piece that I've cut out, there's rust on the inside, and if left it will eventually break through. Then we've got this other section where someone has put in a little patch, and actually it looks like it's been joined the sill as well. So I'm glad that I have decided to replace that. And if we have a look also near the pillar, there's a brace there, and the sill there's at the bottom there's rust also. Okay, so I've got the sill all removed, or the rocker as the Americans call it, removed from my Cortina. So we'll just have a look at that.